Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student Bachelor English as a foreign language, and today I want to explain you my final activity according to the course Phonetic and Phonology. First of all, I'm going to start with the reading. This reading said, when you were born, you were not able to communicate with the adults around you by using the language, but the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In fact, you have to become a fluent native speaker about at least one language, probably with a very little effort if you study foreign language later, and it's likely that you discover that it was not nearly easy. Now I want to tell you the second point for this activity, minimal pairs. The first one say sit, sit, desk, this, wet, wait, back, boot, so, soft, not, note, back, bed, fast, first, desk, disc, very, buy, pie, king, think, live, arrive, catch, cut, see, she, fun, bang, fat, hat, free, three, sing, think, with, wish, page, pace, batch, fast, past, count, gain, to, do, back, and, have, had. Now, the tool is for the intonation. The statement with one stress. I know, we loud, it stopped, and it works, time flies, Lina is my daughter. This according to the statement with two stress. For the three stress says, Peter doesn't like here, Lina wasn't invited, bats are not birds. A statement with four stress. She wants to buy a new car. He brought the letter very quickly. The teacher told her the student a story. A statement with five stress. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. Now the turn is for a special question, following intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Friendly. Now the turn is for the friendly, interest, politeness, reason, intonation. Say, where have you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? Now the general question, reason, intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my kids? Are you ready to start? Now is request, reason, intonation. Could you give me the pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind helping me? Alternative question, reason, and filing intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Task question, feeling or reason, intonation. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She works in, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Commands, filing intonation. Stop it, sit down, close your box. Tell me the truth. Now read with reason, intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory statement, feeling, intonation. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice. That's a lead. Director, address, reason, intonation. Peter, can you help me? Miss Smith, this is Mary Brown. Can you help me? Enumerating, reason, intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Response: certainly, of course, and you're welcome. Okay, guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy my video and see you in the next class. Goodbye.